everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today we're back in the house and we're going to do up some chicken wings. And we're going to do them up in the Gourmia Air fryer. So why don't I bring you in closer, show you how I'm going to season these up with this VSB seasoning, wing seasoning. I'll have more information about this down in my description. Got a special sauce I'm going to put on it, and we'll go from there. So why don't I bring you in closer, show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so I have my drums and flats here. I picked up a couple packages from Costco. I have rinsed them and patted them dry. Now I need to season them. So what we're going to do, I have this VSB seasoning, wing seasoning. Now this is a company out of Vegas. They sent me this to give it a try. I'll have a link down there so you can see it. I love the color of it. Let's give it a quick little finger taste. I'm sure it's going to be spicy. Not bad. Not bad at all. A little bit of hit to it, but what we're going to do is we're going to just lightly sprinkle this on there, like so. It's definitely got a nice red color to it. Take some tongs, get it all mixed up in there, and then we'll season this other side, like so. Then what we're going to do, let's get this all seasoned up. There we go. Give it another toss. Try to get it on every side here. Yeah. See there, I missed some there, missed some there. Okay. Now we'll probably end up doing this in 2 batches, I think. I don't think I'm going to get all these on the air fryer at once, but we are going to load this thing down. So let's give it all a nice toss. Get it all mixed up. So, and one more final seasoning. Okay. All right. So what we need to do is we're going to take our air fryer. I'm going to take the little riser basket out of it for now. We're just going to spray some Pam in here. Everybody can do it their own way. I'm just going to use Pam. So I'm going to get this put in here. I'm going to power it on. I'm going to set our time. Actually, let's see. Got some wings right there. It's got 400 at 25. We're going to go ahead and start the preheat. So we'll hit start. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some of these in there and we'll let it go probably 15 minutes, whatever half is. Then we're going to turn them all. And we'll let them go for another 5 minutes and we'll take a look at them. Got a couple stalks of celery here. We'll get that cut up. Get rid of this stuff. Now we'll just give us some little decoration pieces here, something like that. Wonder who decided that celery was a thing to put with chicken, especially chicken wings. It wasn't me, but we're letting this come up. We've got this here. Tonight we're going to be seasoning the barbecue sauce. We've got some honey barbecue, sweet with gentle heat. Now, I do not think this is Blazin' brand. It looks like, you know, Wild Buffalo Wings, but I don't think it's Wild Buffalo Wings brand. It's Blazin' brand. Picked this up at Kroger, is where I got this. We'll season that all with that at the end. Right now, we have our air fryer heating up. I have it set at 425 minutes. What we're going to do is we're going to let it go there. It says that it's time to add our food. So what we're going to do is take a spray, which I sprayed Pam in it already. We're just going to take all our drumsticks and flats if we can. And it's okay if they're in here touching, because they're going to shrink down. Do this as fast as we can. Like I said, I'm probably going to have to do this in 2 runs, because I don't think I'm going to be able to get all these in here, which I'm pretty sure I'm not. We're just going to go with that many. Let's get it back in here. And it's already starting its countdown. We've got it set so it'll turn. It'll beep when it gets to halfway. And we'll turn them all. And we'll probably only let it go 5 minutes after that. But we'll see what it comes out like. Okay. Our first 15 minutes or so are done. Take a look at those. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip them all over. Like so. Try to be quick about it. Which I'm not being very quick about it. But roll them around. You can see how much they shrunk down from where they were. And I've got this little one over here. We don't want it to put that there. Okay. This one right here too. Put these back in here. So now we're going to put it back in here. So we got our wings. And we'll just hit start. We'll take a look at them in here in a few minutes. Let's take a look at our first batch of wings here. Look at those. I'll put it in here. Up here. Alright. So we got a new bowl here. Get it out of the way. Put our other wings on it. And we'll get her grilling up. We'll get it air frying up here. That one jumped right in. It wanted it in there bad. Not as many in this one. Get it in there. And I'll let it run. So there's those wings. So VBS is Vegas Smokin' Barbecue Seasoning Company. I'll have a link to their website for you down in there so you can pick some of that up. So the rest of our wings are done here. Let's go ahead and take them out. Hopefully you're better prepared than I am. Put those in there. But they smell good. Let's put this back in here. There's our wings. Take our sweet, gentle heat sauce. We're just going to pour it on here like so. And do a quick little shake up here so we can get it all over it. Don't those look good? Got them all mixed up there. Let's get our plate back in here. Try to make it look all pretty. Put some of these down on here like so. Put our blue cheese back on there. How's that look? What do you think? Alright, the moment you all have been waiting for. Let's get this one here. That's a good one. Look at that. Buffalo wings on an air fryer with some sweet, gentle heat barbecue sauce. Oh yeah. Stick your fingers. Probably all over my face. Alright, let me get a drink real quick. A little bit of spice to that. But not bad at all. I think that's a perfect combination, that Vegas seasoning, wing dust. It's pretty darn good. That's real good. And then coming back over with this sweet, gentle heat. Oh, that is delicious. Honey barbecue sauce. I really like that. I'm going to get more of this. That's really, really good. Of course, our favorite blue cheese, Ken's blue cheese. We like that. So, probably not my best recording job. I got a phone call in the middle of this that I had to take. So I kind of winged it anyhow. You saw kind of how I did that, where I seasoned up. I started out by rinsing and patting dry the wings, put them in the bowl, and then I seasoned them with that Vegas seasoning. Really, really good stuff. Then I preheated the air fryer at 400 degrees. Once it preheated, I put as many as I could in there at the beginning, and I let it go for 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, I pulled them out, I flipped them all over, put it back in there. My light just died up there, so that was what that was. But anyhow, I put it back in there and I let them go another 5 minutes. After that 5 minutes, I dumped them in another bowl, put the rest of them in, repeated the process. So in all, 20 minutes cook time times 2, 40 minutes. Then I put them in a bowl, poured that sauce, kind of shook them up. Oh man, it is darn good stuff. And these came out. I mean, just look at that. Just look at that. Would you look at that? Beautiful. Let's try it with a little blue cheese this time. You don't need blue cheese. It's not, I'm pretty much a wimp when it comes to spices. And this isn't killing me. Just the right amount of heat on the backside. Oh yeah. These wings are in trouble. Not so good. I'm really liking this air fryer we got from Costco. It's a 7-quart Gourmia. Holds enough. It's so easy to use. Put them in there. My wife is out working tonight. I got dinner on, for myself. It's super easy to do, and I'm gonna eat well. Anyhow, like I always say, thank you for watching. You can do this too. It's not that hard. Till next time, my friends. Grill on.